Honorable members, a message from the Honorable President. Take your seats. I am reading a message from the Honorable President of India.
All right, we have a breaking news coming in. The JPC report on the Waqf bill has been tabled in the Rajya Sabha, while the Lok Sabha has been adjourned till 2 p.m. due to ruckus. The JPC report on Waqf has been tabled in the Rajya Sabha. That's the big breaking news we have right now. Ruckus continues in the House over Waqf JPC report. Let's take a look at the proceedings in Rajya Sabha going right now.
Disrespect to the President of India. This is disrespect to the first tribal woman who is President of India. Take your seats. Let me read out your message, please. I appeal to your good sense. Sir, I appeal to you. Don't show disrespect to the President of India. We should respect the President of India, the first tribal woman to hold the position. Ask your members, Honorable Leader of the Opposition, let us listen to the message of the President. She is the first citizen of the country, the first tribal woman ever to hold this post. Please take your seats. Please take your seat. Don't disrespect. I'll name you. I would name the members now. I will not overlook or countenance disrespect to the Honorable President. I appeal to Leader of the Opposition. Please take your seats. Please take your seats. If you are showing disrespect to the Honorable President, the House is adjourned to meet at 11:20.
And after the Lok Sabha, the Rajya Sabha also has been adjourned in the Parliament after ruckus. We saw ruckus happening in the Lok Sabha over the JPC report, and now the ruckus in Rajya Sabha happening, sloganeering in Rajya Sabha after JPC report has been tabled. JPC report on Waqf has been tabled, and we see ruckus unfolding in Rajya Sabha. 11 a.m. is the time till when the Rajya Sabha has been adjourned. So ruckus in both the houses over the JPC report on the Waqf Amendment Bill. Lok Sabha adjourned till 2 p.m. and Rajya Sabha adjourned till 11:20. And that's the breaking news we have right now. This is, of course, once again, we see heated debates happening. Riyanka, my colleague, joins us live on the broadcast from outside the Parliament. Riyanka, we did expect this to happen, and ruckus in both the houses, just as the JPC report is being tabled.
Yes, this was expected because in the past as well, we have seen that the opposition has been raising its voice and causing trouble and destruction in the House because they do not want this bill to come into action. But on the other hand, the centre are very much headstrong ahead about this bill because, for the last 6 months, the JPC had been working tirelessly and going places to get in all the details, and there were several discussions and deliberations which were made. And now there has been ruckus that we can in fact seen after the JPC report was tabled in the Rajya Sabha. But there is a lot of opposition sloganeering that continues from the side of the India Alliance leaders. And what we know that the Rajya Sabha has been adjourned till 11:20. This amid all the sloganeering and the entire chaos that has been created in the Parliament. On the other hand, Lok Sabha also stands adjourned till 2 p.m. this afternoon, and we are yet to see all the developments that come in because we have in fact witnessed in the past how there have been leaders of the opposition parties, including specifically AIMIM chief Asauddin Owaisi, who had raised his voice during his address in the Parliament as well, where he opposed the Waqf Amendment Bill. And this particular report, which has been tabled, the opposition continues to claim that their dissent notes have not been, kept in that report as an evidence. So, yes, a lot of clash and back and forth happening regarding the Waqf Amendment Bill report, which has been prepared by the JPC, presented in the Rajya Sabha, but it has been marred by chaos.